Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete objects from a photo with a Nano Banana, and for this we're going to be using Google Gemini. I am going to get rid of the cabling, things like that for this image. Now come back to Google Gemini, come here, start a new chat, click on Tools, and toggle this one, Create Images. You can see the banana icon. So if you are in at least 2.5 flash as your model, you should be able to use Nano Banana. And then what you do is you just drag and drop your image that you want to delete objects from. So I'll go ahead and use this gaming setup. I'll just drag and drop right here and then use your prompt. And I'll have this one in the description. And this is a guide as well on what you need to do because this is a natural language model. First, you need to state the action. Directly state what you want done, right? Remove, delete, erase. Use keywords like this. And then be very specific about the items or the objects that you want to remove. Okay, these are some examples. And this is optional. This is recommended. You can do this. So background fill. Guide the AI on how to reconstruct the background if you're getting rid of something. Okay, so we'll go back here to Gemini and submit this and give it a few seconds. And here we go. This is the end result. It got rid of the cabling as requested, kept, the wall and the table surface. Really that easy, and that is how to delete objects from a photo with Nano Banana.